Hello everyone, welcome back to day 7 of our traveling videos. We are in Dehradun right now, and yesterday I came to my host house, and this is my host house. Yesterday night I did not record it much, but we cooked dinner together and we went outside and have a small walk. Today's plan is to go to Sri Ponta Sahib Gurudwara, which is in the border of Uttarakhand and Himachal. My host is also a traveler and he has traveled a lot. So today we will go with his Thar, and I want to show you just a look of the Thar, which also has a rooftop tent. My host has some work in Ambala, so he will do the work and I will be at Ponta Sahib Gurudwara. I will update you and take you along with me, and today we will visit and explore Gurudwara Sahib. We are on the way to Gurudwara Sri Ponta Sahib. So guys, this is my host Mr. Ajay, and he dropped me to Ponta Sahib Gurudwara. Now I will walk this path and we will go towards Gurudwara Sahib. We have to go from this route, just from this side. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
On the left side there is shoe house and luggage room. As you can see behind me, there is a historical Gurudwara. This is the most sacred place in Himachal Pradesh because it is associated with Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji came here and set his foot. So earlier it is known as Paw Tika. Paw means foot and Tika means placed. This Gurudwara is situated in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh and is adjacent to the bank of river Yamuna. As you can see, there is a Yamuna river flowing from this side. This bridge is the divider between Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The side in which I am standing is Himachal Pradesh and the side which you are looking right now is Uttarakhand. And Yamuna river has very less water because it's summer time, and after rainy season this place gets filled up with the fresh water running from the mountains. From here you can get the Kada Prasad. Inside complex, new Yatri Niwas or place to stay for pilgrims is being built, and there is dispensary, little bit greenery, plants, and from the dispensary you can get free medicines. This is the Langar Hall and also Sahibzada Baba Ajit Singh Niwas. If you want to donate for free kitchen, that is langar, you can donate here and you will get the receipt. Inside lot of pilgrims are eating right now. And after eating you have to give your used plates, glass, cups and spoons, and you have to submit it here, and from there they throw it the waste inside this, and then the cleaning process is started. And after cleaning it goes through 2 or 3 rounds of cleaning, and after that they put all the cleaned utensils and arrange it into this. They have this table and chair for disabled people, and here they store the food and then they will serve among the pilgrims. So I came outside Langar Hall and I found that there are few people who came outside from India and they wanted to share their experiences because they came to the Langar Hall and Gurudwara for the first time. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Alex.
And from where are you from?
We're all from Portugal.
So how you are feeling coming to India and especially coming inside Gurudwara and having langar?
The entire trip has been amazing. We just arrived a few days ago. This particular day has been rather special, seeing the humanitarianism of people, seeing the kindness, seeing the effect that this beautiful religion has on people. It's been a very beautiful trip, but today in particular has touched our hearts.
So when you started your trip, and is it your first day or like you have been here for a long time?
Now we arrived 2 days ago, so we still got another week and a half to go. So we got a long time to explore this beautiful country. Hopefully we'll see many more beautiful temples like this one. And
so destiny has made you to come here inside Gurudwara.
Yes.
That's great.
Destiny and the lovely family who's hosting us.
It doesn't matter which religion we are. This is just open to everyone, and that is really touching and really beautiful. So thank you for receiving everyone as equal. So that is really, really touching. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
No, I'll just like to add that it's very beautiful to see how you embrace everybody in regards of your religion, in regards of the race or where it's from. And it's such an act of kindness to deliver food. Definitely feel part of the community, and I feel like I can speak for any one of us that we feel very welcome into your country. It just proves how rich the culture here is.
There are new buildings which are under construction, but still we have many Yatri Niwas or places to stay. This is the residence office. You have to come here and you can get room in 1000 rupees, and you can get double bed, triple bed, or for bed for 6 people. All the rooms are of 1000 rupees only. This is the dispensary. If you don't have enough money, then too you can come and submit your luggage, and you can rest and relax inside this hall. This is Sahidi Diwan Hall, and this hall has lot of space, and you will get your bed, blankets, everything at night, but at daytime you can relax like this. I'm waiting for my host Mr. Ajay, and he will come after some time. Then we will go together to Dehradun. He will pick me from here.